I'll take you to a happy place you'll see.
This is cooking in Cabo. Let's do like a tour of the ranch.
Okay, this ranch is a project from I have started 2 years ago. It's my family project. So I will show you the names to a ranch is Las Glorias.
Las Glorias.
It is my sister's name,
Yeah.
my grandma, and my goddaughter.
Oh wow, beautiful.
And my next daughter, I hope.
Wow.
So I will show you a plant. So it was from my grandma, and because that I put the name Las Glorias.
Las Glorias.
This plant,
Yes?
my grandma used to live in front of my house. So she passed to my house and she took the plant and she put in a cubeta and it was there. So when she died, I don't know who put back to the yard.
Threw it out.
Back to the yard.
Oh.
So I have to clean the yard every weekend.
Oh wow. These are
I clean the yard, landscaping, everything.
Yeah.
And I cut these tree always. Cut and cut and cut. For the next month, they start to grow again. And I was angry. Fuck. So because it was air conditioner, it was wearing.
Oh, what?
Yeah. So when I started my ranch, my mom told me, I'm pretty sure that plant was from your grandma. And I start to ask my old uncles, and it is.
Wow.
So I put my grandma's
Plant here.
right here, and it's
It's beautiful.
Where we can gaze upon a distant sea,
Yeah, the picture here
peacefully
is
roll with me
our friend.
into a land with lots of milk and honey. Leave all your worries far behind you.
This is the
They'll
mango
never
tree you're
find you
saying
here.
that, your mom was like mad because somebody took all the mangoes or something.
That one.
Oh, that one.
Yeah,
Oh, because
that
it's a
one.
different type of mango.
Yeah, that's
This is like the
those
big
mangoes
mango.
are big ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this is eagle. You know the eagles?
Yeah. Figs.
Those are ready.
Figs. That one's ready.
Oh, ready? Oh, this one doesn't. What is good? The ants started to eat.
They
But
got
this is
excited.
good.
This one's really good.
More are coming. These 2 days more.
My favorite. Look at this. Call my name. Let me call.
Oh, a beer!
No. Oh, somebody already got it before us.
Yeah, a beer.
I like this one. Oh, hello, little baby. And you do it yourself, Jonny? You kill them? Is it?
You have to do good for, and the animal don't
Suffer.
That's right. Fast
Yeah.
and easy.
And it's better for you to do it than someone who doesn't know what they're doing.
That's
Mainly,
right.
you know.
With respect.
Do you have a help? Yeah. Do you have somebody to help you? Or
Yeah.
like, you guys do it. You do it with your friend. You do have like a day. But this is the real deal of like the best possible food situation.
That's right. It's my dad doesn't like to kill them, but with
Your dad killed a lot of fish.
that's right. What I say.
Yeah.
You kill the fish,
Yeah.
and you don't want just because you are with them. But we how do you say tratar. We respect them. We always feed them.
Yep.
They have a good life.
Yep.
So when they die, they will die with respect.
Yes, exactly. Aww. Hi, honey. Hi.
Apparently,
Billy Goat's gruff.
apparently what? Careful though. Apparently.
He's the next one for to eat.
Oh. Well, better give him some nice scratches then, buddy.
Loves this one.
Oh. Oh, look at his little tail. Ooh. Okay, relax. Don't get yourself all hung up on there, buddy. Oh, beautiful. Hello.
Roll with me, I'll take you to a happy place you'll see. where we can gaze upon a distant sea peacefully. Roll with me into a land with lots of milk and honey. Leave all your worries far behind you, they'll never find you here. Roll with me, I'll take you places far beyond your dreams. The purple hazes and the tangerines and the mango trees.
I'm okay.
You're okay? I don't know if this is good, but I'll try it. Top by bird. Come on. Oh my goodness. I will say that actually one side of it is moldy. I was gonna try to pretend that everything on this pig was perfect, but it's not. This is a bit moldy, so I'm just gonna put that in the dirt and then I'm gonna eat this part. I mean, even with half of it moldy, this is like one of the best pigs I've ever had, actually. Great, so should we go grab a snack?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a beer. I'm excited for it. Yeah.
Oh, we're not staying here.
No, we're just, no.
We're hitting the road again.
We're hitting the road. Yeah. Great.
Let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road. What did he say we had to do? He said we had to do something. The plan, we're picking ciruelas. Okay, let's go. Everybody out. We're picking ciruelas. Okay, great. What if I broke this? That would be so funny.
Oh, that'd be...
You want to go on my shoulders?
No.
Oh, wow.
It's falling, it's falling.
Wow. Literally hot from the sunshine. So this is a ciruela. It's like a type of plum. We bought them on the side of the road earlier, but I guess we could just pick them on the side of the road.